push hard. That way, not up. There you go, kid. See, that one looked pretty good. Hey, I like that a lot better. You're not pushing it. You're not pushing yourself up. Push yourself out. That's it. I like it so much better. You like this better? Watch this. Hands there. Push yourself out, not up. Here you go. About the motion. Got about 4 more I need to look at and then we'll go. Right there, push out, not up. But you got to throw the ball, dude. Just because I took those two things out of you doesn't mean your arm isn't good. You don't throw hard. You'll throw hard. Push that way. Wrong. It's going to feel uncomfortable. You're going to throw all over the place, but when you come back and you throw well, you'll be fine. Now look, you push that way, not up. You hear me? You raise your leg up. You're not getting on your tiptoe. Raise your leg up, push that way. Push. But hey, it's a matter of breaking the habit. He's done pretty good. He's done what I asked him to do. That's really good. Okay. Nice and calm right here. Push that way. Looking like a picture now, I'll tell you what, that looks good. I like it all better now. Hey, push that way harder. That's it. Look at that. That's how I want you to do. I'll show you the video at our house of you before and you after, and you'll think, God, I look like a goof over here. Why do I have a picture over here? Trust me. Homework too. Last pitch. Stay off that tiptoe.